gonna grab it. She's gonna go get it. So playful. She's gonna sneak up on me. What's she doing? The thing is, I can't see her from here. I can only see her in the camera. She's gonna get me, I can tell. Just wait, she's gonna pounce in a minute. No. Let's see how playful she's gonna be. Let's bring her up here. If they show her own tail, this is what happens. It's actually quite funny. She kills her own tail. It's quite funny. Look at this. She's really playful. So she'll like scratch and bite and everything. It's not her mouth that's sharp, it's the claws. She's mouth and camera. I'll do. Her face is so close up. And this damage here, all the door, that was not her. She can't have done that damage. It was my old dog called Sadie. I miss that dog a lot. Yeah, I might as well tell you about. I had we got her as a puppy. She was a Great Dane, and my cat likes to climb stuff. Go on, get it. Go on, drink it. No, we got her as a Great Dane. She was a puppy, and she I still remember the first day I got her, I had like a really big cut on my finger on this one. Thank you, joking, I love you. No, we had for quite a long time. I was like 3 or 4 when we actually got her, and eventually when I was about 8 or 9 she got sick. She had to have her womb removed, or stuff in her womb removed, can't remember, you tell. She had blood in her urine constantly, and she was really sick. She ate her own crap, which is pretty disgusting, but I don't know why she did. It's just a constant every day. That's what she used to do. Just recycle her crap, and my cat's gonna pounce. Go on, do it. Yeah, we had to give her away to like a a farm, because we didn't have the money, because Mum was pregnant with Lily at the time, and we just couldn't cope with the stress because the dog was really sick. So we gave her away to a special farm, and they took care of her. I hope she's still alive now, but she'd be 13 or 14 now. In dog years, I don't know. It's like over 50. and she ain't gonna pounce. So little bit of a vlog, I guess. It's gonna go in this first. Look at that little face. How can you resist that little face? Okay, this is my hand. She's absolutely midget, and she's a little bitch as well. So yeah, that's the vlog. Like, subscribe, and stay awesome. Love you all. See you later.